The probabilities for all the different outcomes of a given scenario must add up to 1. So the probability that something happens plus the probability that same thing doesn't happen has to equal 1. The complement of an event is the opposite of that event. So the probability that an event happens plus the probability that the complement happens is equal to 1. If we roll a die, the probability that a 3 is rolled is 1 out of 6. What is the probability that a 3 is not rolled? So these are complements. And we know that the probabilities of complements add up to be 1. So the probability that a 3 is rolled is 1 out of 6. So if I subtract this from 1, I can find the probability of the complement, and that will be 5 out of 6. And this should make sense because 5 sides of the die are not 3. Number 5 says, the probability that it will rain tomorrow is 38%. What is the probability that it will not rain tomorrow? So probabilities can be expressed as percents and decimals as well. So 38% is 0.38 as a decimal, and I want to subtract this from 1, and that will get me 0.62, which is 62%. So if there is a 38% chance that it will rain tomorrow, that means that there's a 62% chance that it will not rain tomorrow.